The middle layer delamination of the iPhone 12 Pro Max motherboard. This test is for peers to popularize its middle layer temperature melting point and disassembly practices. Before the motherboard delamination, first we take off the back adhesive sticker. The back adhesive sticker on top of the shader is a little hard. We use the air gun with a little temperature to tear it off. Because if not taken off, the middle layer of the lamination will lead to it heating past off, even in the lamp and the electronic cloud devices above the walls. The boot may damage the motherboard, as well as to the motherboard caused by security risks. Now we tear off the reverse side of the adhesive sticker as well, and next we use the heating platform. Previously, we directly used render heating to layer the iPhone X to iPhone 11. Because we are not clear iPhone 12 middle layer melting point with high temperature tin or low temperature tin, so we use the bottom heating platform to heat, so it will be safer. At the same time, also to our air gun single heating laying to provide temperature reference. The bottom heating platform temperature can reach 200 degrees. Because iPhone 12 heating platform clamps have not been produced, so put on the full inlet board directly up to take. When gun temperature is 341, large window nozzle, very fast speed, so it can be taken off very quickly. We plied a screw so it can be carried up directly. The whole process is about 14 seconds. The fourth judgment, this tin with middle temperature tin, and the market said ultra high temperature tin. Remember, you gently take down the moment, whether it is even tin proof is your manual degree. If the hand does not even tin, you can directly test it on the single board whether the machine works. For manual need to have such high requirements. Now we put the single upon board inside the motherboard. Single board power on, see if it is the same as the previous iPhone. Then use tweezers to short its boot button pin. Its logo appears, go directly to the page. Check the temperature is too high. We don't need to worry it, because we just used the thinner separation, its temperature has not yet cooled. Next, we have more and more exciting content. Enter the laminating stage. Before laminating, first put it under the microscope for a second time to test its temperature of the melting point to see if there is a difference with the middle temperature tin we used for the first test. Just now the temperature of the air gun is 341. Now we use the tin absorption type for the band. With the soldering iron 400 degrees, gently dredge it down. After 2 takes, already know that the middle layer with the medium temperature tin. Next, we heat the soldering iron to 400 degrees and then a little more flux passed. Gently press down with the soldering iron 400 degrees and slowly pour back. One hand pour the section tin type, the other hand with the soldering iron gently poured forward and drag backward. If a low temperature tin is used, there is no need to heat the soldering iron to 400 degrees. If ultra high temperature tin is used, you will also need an air gun for auxiliary heat. Be sure to wipe it clean after dragging it flat. Rub with the first cotton ball, dirty, then use the second cotton ball, dirty, then use the third cotton ball, and keep rubbing until the cotton ball is not dirty. This is the reason why many masters approved course-free work. Actually, the temperature control is easy to know, but the differences between the master and you is not in the control of the temperature, and also cannot be removed you or cannot be layered, but clean and dirty. Next, we use the tin planting platform for the middle layer of tin. The use of media temperature team 183 degrees. If you want to do better, you can use 217 degrees in high temperature team. The moment we take down, we cannot be nervous. As long as a shake, the following team parts will be linked together, resulting in failure. If it fails, you have to start all over again. Next, put it under the microscope for heating and let it form a ball automatically. This step is to let you see more clear. Actually, don't need to put it under the microscope for heating, so it will be easier to form a ball. After the middle layer is automatically boiled, the upper layer is dredged flat. Play in flux part with the soldering area 400 degrees, slowly creeping over. If the hand does not shake and scared can be a little faster scraping. Then we also have to use cotton balls to wipe it clean. The first cotton ball must be very dirty. We will use the second cotton ball, and then we use a dust-free cloth to introduce the chip all clean. Only after that can be laminated. After the upper and lower alignment, with about 340 large air nodes to heat lamination. Of course, the use of the bottom heating platform can also be laminated, but there is no suitable tool. Use the clamps on the motherboard, pour them, and then we can also do lamination. After the lamination is complete, be sure to put it under the microscope to observe the middle layer, under the microscope to stand up the motherboard to see the situation of the middle layer lamination. Because we use a flex path when the lamination of the middle layer, so the oil will speed out, we must clean up the sides cleanly. Then install the font for texting.